Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about the traffic rules. Number 1. Traffic rules are imposed by the government. Number 2. Traffic rules keep us safe on the road. Number 3. We should always follow traffic lights. Number 4. Red means stop, yellow means wait, and green means go. Number 5. We should wear a helmet while riding a bike. Number 6. We should wear seat belts while driving. Number 7. Follow the speed limit to avoid accidents. Number 8. Do not overtake on the wrong side. Number 9. Always give way to emergency vehicles. Number 10. Following traffic rules saves lives. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.